How's it going, everyone? Hunter here with ATV Lifestyle. A little bit different video for you guys today, still ATV based, but we're gonna go over what I use to haul the ATV and side-by-side. Before we moved from Wisconsin down to North Carolina here, we ordered this trailer. It was something I wanted to do for a while, and it was kind of something I had to do when we moved because I needed a trailer to move my units. So what we have here is a 83 by 22 low trail 7K car hauler. So two 3,500 pound axles, brakes on both axles, electric brakes. I run 2 5/16 coupler on it because I really like this Demco coupler. It's auto locking, so when it drops down, it's kind of like a Chinese finger trap. That's how I explained it to my old customers. The harder you pull on it, the harder that thing latches. 7K jack on it is an upgrade that I like to do on them too. Mainly because it has the drop leg on it, so I can drop the leg down. I don't have to stack boards, so I don't have to crank it as far. I just drop the leg down, crank away, and off it comes. I don't have to crank it a whole far. Toolbox on the front. Open it up. I have lots of room for straps, grease gun, you name it. I can fit it in there. I got tons of room for storage on there. Or if I want to add an auxiliary battery for extra lighting in the future. Color on it is bomber gray. I wanted to do something a little different. But I also kind of wanted to tie it into the machines and make sure it looked good with any truck I have in the future for pulling. The nice thing too is it has a pocket here so you can slide a chain through to lock a chain in. We got 8 D-rings front to back, 4 on each side. It's going to have ATVs side-by-sides on it. In the future plans eventually, a couple years down the road, we plan on getting a second 2-seat side-by-side. 22 feet gives us room to have 2 2-seat side-by-sides on here. I don't really have a want for a 4-seat side-by-side. We both like to drive 2-seat side-by-side. Coming along to the back here, we're gonna have black wheels on it. Gotta stick with the theme here. Gray, black, gray, black. A little bit of yellow in there. We may tie some color in on the trailer somewhere with some logos in the future. Not gonna happen right away. Crank loading stands in the back, so if we are loading something a little heavier, I can flip those down, crank them down, so I'm not picking up the back of the truck. I don't have to worry about truck rolling down the hill like you see in all those funny videos. Although it would be funny, I don't want to break anything. Coming around to the back here, we have slide out ramps out the back. I run slide out ramps on my lighter car trailers, especially if it's going to be ATV side-by-side use. I usually don't use the ramps. I usually just drive them up on, therefore they're out of the way, but if I do need them for some odd reason, I have them there. One of my favorite things I think on this trailer that I ordered is having the reverse lights on this thing. Really nice with backing it up at night. I can actually see backing up. I don't have to rely on my brake lights or something like that to see if my truck lights are blocked. Those work really good. They're not big, but they do add a lot of light. Like I said, we moved down here from Wisconsin. My camera girl is tripping over a culvert. But I absolutely love this trailer so far. We picked it up in Wisconsin, where I used to work at Auto and Toy Trader. If you guys are looking for a low trail trailer and you're in the Midwest area, I definitely recommend you guys go to them. They're gonna have the best prices. Great group of guys there, Jesse, Zach, any of them, you guys are great to deal with there. If you're anywhere else, just look up Load Trail. The reason I run Load Trails is they are a very good quality trailer, but you're not paying the big dollar of some of the other high quality trailers. I'm not saying Load Trail is the best trailer up there, but they are a good trailer, and I can tell you guys that confidently, as I used to work at a trailer dealer. I sold them, I worked on them, I sold parts for trailers. I worked on these, and I very rarely had to touch a Load Trail trailer. They were just good trailers. Again, I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you guys think of my trailer. Let me know if you guys have any other questions on any of my setup. Hopefully someday we get a new truck to match everything and doesn't break on us. But baby steps. Have a great day, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. You know what to do.